Hello students, welcome back to Amrita Academy. Here we are doing a question on real numbers chapter. It's a word problem of grade 10. Question goes something like this. There's two tanks, 504 and 735 liters of milk respectively. So these two tanks are containing this much amount of milk, so much amount of milk respectively. Find the maximum capacity of container which can measure the milk of either tank an exact number of times. So maybe you are having to find a kind of container which can measure exactly this three full containers or 10 full containers, 15 full containers of the first tank and 20 containers, 22 containers of second tank. So we're just trying to find out that. So here, how do you figure out is look at the question there. The question says that there is some amount of milk in tank A and tank B. So clearly, this is a question where repetition is not happening. It's not that the quantity of milk is going to be changing. So here we're going to have a fixed quantity, that is the amount of milk in both the scenarios. So this happens to be a question of factors. So within the given number, we have to find the factors and find out the highest common factor. But when you have a scenario where the numbers keep on increasing, for example, every 2 hours it is repeating, something like that, or it finishes one round in so much time, then find out when will they meet again. So such scenarios where the time keeps on going on or some value keeps going on and on, they are called multiples. So we used the LCM concept over there. In this case, it is concept of HCF because we are having a fixed quantity, and in a fixed quantity, you have to understand the word problems of this type. When they have fixed quantity, we have to use the concept of HCF. So once you figure out that, you need to find out the HCF of the given numbers. So the tank contains 504. So we'll take this tank A. Tank A contains 504 liters. Tank B contains 735 liters. And you need to find out its highest common factor. So as the numbers are quite big, so you have to be careful while doing the factorization, prime factorization to be precise. We find out the factors starts with 2. So 2 what times we can say 2 2s are 2 5s are 252. Right? And then again 2 1 2 6 2 63 7 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Factors of 504 are here. And next the factors of 735 and 5. Because the number is ending with 5, you can start dividing it into 5 digits. 5 what times? 5 ones are 2 remainder, 2 plus 3, 2 and 3, 23. 5 fours are 20, 3 and 5, 35. 35, 7. So you got 147. How do you do it? Just take the first digit and divide it with 5. You know the remainder is 2, right? So it becomes, next number becomes 23. 23, again, 5 fours are 20, remainder is 3 there. 3 goes become 35 in the next number. And that's how you get 147. Now again, 147, it seems to be divided by 3 digits. How? Because the sum of digits 1 plus 4, 5 plus 7, 12. So 12 is the sum of, it's divisible by 3 tables. So the number also will be divisible by 3 tables. This is the divisibility rule of 3. 3 what times? 3 fours are and 9s are 49. And then 7 sevens are 7 1s are. So we got the factors over here. Now we need to find the common factors. Common factors here I can see there is 1 7, okay, and then there is 1 3. So the HCF of 504 and 735 is basically 3 into 7, which is 21 liters. So at last we can write a sentence. I will write a sentence that a container should be having capacity of 21 liters. Yeah, that's how you solve this problem. And done. Thank you.